So hey guys, this is Abdullah Mamun and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can check your YouTube's earning. So keep watching this tutorial to the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel, smash the like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started today's video. A few days ago, YouTube's new policy has come. That's why we can't see our YouTube's earning properly. I think no problem. After watching this tutorial, you will be able to see your daily earning. So keep watching this tutorial. First of all, open your browser and write here AdSense. After that, click on Google Adsense. To see your YouTube's earning, you have to log in your AdSense account. I'm going to log in my account. After logging account, you will see such kind of interface. So now click on three dot and tap on desktop site. And then click on reports. After that, go to old version, old page. Go to your old page to see your YouTube's earning. Now click on overview and then go to and tap on add, select product and then YouTube host and apply, and finally you can see your today's earning. You can see your today's earning. To see your today's earning, select today. Yes, this is my today's earning. To see your 7 days earning, select on 7 days. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed it, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends.